Excelsior-Henderson. This is the entrance to one of the most modern motorcycle manufacturing facilities in the world. Once through the entrance to the building, the first area to be seen is the reception area, located at the front of the museum area. The museum houses past and present examples of Excelsior-Henderson artifacts and documentation. It was designed to show the product to best advantage by representing a street scene. Original Excelsior motorcycles from 1905 through 1931 are on display, along with the first Super X built on the new assembly line. To the right of the museum is the retail store, promoting a variety of Excelsior-Henderson garments and accessories. From the bridge over the museum, the factory area can be seen through the glass wall. The factory contains a welding area, a paint facility, an assembly line with test area, and a crating and shipping area. The Super X frame is 100% robotically welded using ABB IRB 1440 robots. There are a total of 3 cells with a cycle time of 7 minutes per frame set. At the heart of the paint facility is the Effluent Treatment area. The paint process starts with a 10-stage pre-treatment for both steel and aluminum components. This is followed by a cathodic electrophoretic dip for steel parts cured at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and followed further by a powder coat process again cured at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Aluminum components are powder coated after pre-treatment. The overhead conveyor is a power and free system that runs at 8 feet or 60 feet per minute and is programmable. The wet paint facility has 2 color lines. Both are equipped with dry back spray booths. The paint used is a thermoset acrylic. However, 2-pack catalytic paints can also be used in the system. The main air input for the paint facility is via an air handling plant. Its capacity is 200,000 cubic feet per minute, and the air is filtered to 3 microns. All paint application areas are thermostatically and humidity controlled. The conveyor system within the wet paint facility is an inverted power and free system. The paint facility was designed to operate with an ambient temperature of plus 35 degrees Celsius to negative 35 degrees Celsius. The finesse area uses a robot to apply the pinstripes on fender and fuel tanks, and a laser targeting unit to ensure that decals are always placed accurately. Fenders and fuel tanks are finished with a powder clear coat to give a very bright and durable finish. The assembly area is comprised of 4 sections: engine assembly, frame and engine subassembly, overhead section, final assembly. All fasteners on the Super X are assembled using air guns, the majority of which are pulse guns. For critical engine fasteners, the cylinder head and connecting rod, multi-spindle units utilizing DC motors are used to ensure a very high degree of torque control. To ensure absolute cleanliness within the engine, all internal components are cleaned prior to assembly. The hydraulic units are leak tested and filled using a vacuum fill unit. This helps to ensure that there are 0 defects in the field. At the end of the assembly line, the electrical system on all bikes is checked using a diagnostic computer unit. This checks that all electrical units are functional and are within their correct parameters. Following this check, the engine control unit, or ECU, is downloaded with its fuel injection and ignition program, or MAP. All units are then ridden on the rolling road. This is a road load test and is followed by a cosmetic check. If this check is successful, the unit is crated on the crating line and then is ready for shipping. The quality control room is equipped with a good range of equipment, including a CMM, optical comparator, hardness tester, surface finish measurement, and a surface table. The warehouse contains both components for new motorcycles and the packing and shipping areas for dealer parts service. It has a total of 4 shipping and receiving bays and has good access from the rear of the building. The executive area is comprised of its own reception area, a well-equipped boardroom, and 3 generously sized offices. The marketing area, situated on the first floor, is also well proportioned and has its own conference room. The engineering area is situated on the 2nd floor, above the marketing area. It has 16 CAD stations using Pro-E software. The design cubicles are 10 feet square. The technical library and supplier files are also housed in this area. The computer room, situated on the ground floor, houses the IBM AS400, along with all of the network servers. The training room is situated just off the reception museum area and will seat up to 40 people. It is equipped with a screen and computer projection equipment. The cafeteria is situated behind the training room and is equipped with several microwave ovens and vending machines. The locker room is situated just off the main employee entrance. It has 250 lockers for employee use. Excelsior-Henderson, a proud tradition of motorcycling since 1905.